Good morning and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren.
Today we are making eggnog waffles. So we have 4 cups of flour in our mixing bowl ready to go, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. So that is our dry ingredients there. We're going to mix that all up together and then we will add our wet ingredients to that. So I've got 3 eggs here. I'm just going to mix those together with the back of a fork. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of imitation rum. Since these are eggnog waffles, we want that a little bit of rummy goodness in there. So that's our egg mix there. We're adding that in just to that well in the center of our mix here. So we've got 3 cups of eggnog. Just going to add that right in there. And we have 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. All right, that can all combine. It's going to be a nice loose batter to be able to fill our waffle iron. And then it's just scoop it by the spoonful right into the center. Feel 2 spoonfuls should do it for this. It will spread out as it cooks. And that's all there is to it. We're just going to cook these until we have all of our waffles ready. You want to make sure that they are cooked until they are a lovely golden brown. And this will get you a stack of about a dozen waffles.